Hi guys, today we're going to do a demonstration on how to use your Spark Sharp Super Spark wood splitter. First you unclasp it like that, set it on a nice flat surface. Some wood that we've already scrounged up from down the back of our place. Set your wood on there like that. Grab your chainsaw, saber saw, hand saw, whatever you want to cover up with. Secure it with your foot, safety glasses on in case something flicks you in the eye. You just cut it to whatever lengths you want. I reckon I want kindling about this size. Just grab your hammer, and because this is going to be our kindling to start our fire, we want the bits pretty small, so I'm just going to keep splitting it in half, so one up in the middle.